Hello people, welcome back. Join, let's cook this recipe together that you are seeing. Quick pasta for lunch. Here is my boiling water, salt, olive oil. This is the kind of pasta that I'll be using, so I would like to be there for 7 minutes. So I added olive oil to my pan. Added my tomato puree, added my mixed vegetable, onion, pepper, tomatoes. So I added some pinch of salt, white pepper, basil, parsley, oregano. So stir together for a while. So let's check on the pasta. It has been here 7 minutes. I'll remove it from the water. So I added in my rosemary and So I'm preparing cooking cream, guys. Mice oil, salt, pepper, milk. I'll just crush it for a while until it gives me that bubble look. All my returnees, thank you for always returning. God bless you. I see the like and the comment and the share. So look at that. I added the pasta to the sauce. I added the cooking cream that I just prepared. If you want to make cocoa cream, guys, that is how to make it for pasta, for spaghetti. So I'll just mix together, incorporate properly. If you are new to the channel, follow me for more amazing video. Turn on your post notification so that anytime we make a new video, you will be notified. So I added a slime of the water that I use in cooking the pasta. So yeah, this is the touch, the finished touch. Adding my tuna. So I will stir together properly. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, YouTube. Lady B Varieties is the name. Feel free to check my channel for that video. So here is it, ready. Enjoy. See you in my